Hey guys, how about for this week's flavor of the day, we do a little garden tour. These are my potatoes. These are the Yukon Golds, and they're doing really, really well. There was 12 planted. I don't know why, but for whatever reason, I only have 4, 5, 6, 8. Oh no, I have 9. There's one there too. And I keep hilling it, I keep pulling it up because it makes for a better potato. I had read somewhere, I don't know how true it is, they taste better. You keep hilling the dirt. And then that's my Italian parsley. 1, 2, 3, and yes indeed, that is coming up as well. So the potatoes are doing okay so far. For my previous flavor of the day, I did the sweet potatoes, and so far, I'm just gonna, even that first one there, was a little shocky, is starting to come back up. So the sweet potatoes are doing good, and I have 3 more in the glass of water that are rooting, and they'll go in this last row here. Here's my pepper bed, and it is doing really well. The first 3 there are the Craig's Grande. That one is a Cali Wonder, which is a bell. And then this row is California Wonder as well. I had to put that California Wonder as a sub because the jalapeno that was there died. These 3 are the Nadapenos, and they're doing well. This, I gotta be honest, I can't remember what it was, but that is a new leaf coming up because I'm guessing because it was sitting on top of here, some kind of grasshopperish, locusty, Jiminy cricketish kind of thing was here, and I think he may have snipped the top of my pepper plant. And I had to call my husband because that darn thing's head was bigger than my thumb. I can't deal with bugs, especially when their heads are bigger than my thumbs. These are poblanos, and they're doing really well. I have 4 poblanos. And then I did my nasturtium in here. I seeded them. Nasturtium, because they're such a tough pod, you have to give it a little hit with sandpaper or an emery board, and then put them in a damp napkin and in plastic and let it sprout. Here's my tomato bed, and it is tomatoes gone wild, folks. The basil is down there doing good. It's getting a nice bit of shade from the tomatoes themselves. Back there are the Genovese, and then the Fiorentino. This little guy is coming up. 1 New Zealand paste. Let me see if I can find. I can never find them once I see them the first time, the tomatoes. But there are a few tomatoes on here. I can't see them right now, but oh, it's loaded with blossoms. And I think I have like, oh, I see it. I'm gonna walk over there and show you. It's right here. There it is. Look at him. Beautiful. So tomatoes, I think this is one too. I don't want to bother them. Tomatoes are doing fantastic. And this, we trellis type. I got the idea from Suburban Garden on Instagram. She uses a garden cloth staple and ties paracord right up. My nasturtiums in here are doing well. Lure those bugs once the flowers come up. These are my squash. This is my zucchini and my summer squash, and my string beans are doing fantastic. Under there are radishes, and they're doing really well too. Nothing in my watermelon bed yet. I think it's been, I want to say 7 days. I'll give them a few more days and then I'll see if I need to reseed. This is my other nasturtium box, and I'm going to keep it here to lure away from these tomatoes and tomatillo. And the bees love tomatillo flowers. They love them. And these have gone wild. I'm going to show you. Look at all the tomatillos I have all over here. Beautiful. There's tomatillos. Come on this side. And tomatillos are neat. This is the husk, and you know they're ripe when you squeeze the husk and it fills it. So obviously they have a ways to go yet, but how sweet is that? And then these are, the back row are New Zealand paste. This little guy is a heat master. I started them a little late. But just look at these. They're doing so well. Really pleased. This is my other potato bed. These are the red potatoes for, 5, because this is one here. 5 potatoes. That's it. I don't know why I planted 12. Though to be honest, these were a little bit more beat up than the Yukon Gold. But hey, I should get a minimum of 5 from each of those. And then these are pickling cucumbers. And this is eating. There's a cucumber there. These are the Space Master. I didn't trellis all of them because I don't think they were quite ready yet. And then in the middle here are beets. And this is 2 Heat Masters, 2 mystery peppers, Marconi, I lost one, 2 Marconis, and 3 Reaper peppers. I lost the Reaper that was here. So I have a feeling those 2 peppers are going to be California Wonder Bell, but we'll see. But folks, I couldn't be more pleased with how this garden is going. She's doing beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at those pretty sunflowers. These puppies get huge. Really good. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed today's flavor of the day. I love my garden. I don't think I'll ever live without a garden ever again. And the benefits of one are so many. Besides the convenience of just going into your yard to pick an herb you might need, a tomato, a cucumber, lettuce leaves, it also has a health benefit of calm, tranquility. You really feel good when you're in there just perusing what you planted with your hands, putting your hands in that soil brings a lot of pleasure. And remember, and I'll put a link to it in the description box, you don't need a giant yard. Jess from Roots and Refuge, she showed how you can grow in just a bag of soil small peppers, cherry tomatoes, lettuces, herbs. Grab a 5-gallon bucket that they sell in Home Depot, or go to a local bakery or restaurant and see if they are giving any away. Put some soil in it and get some plants growing. Grow some flowers too. I love cutting my sunflowers and putting them in water on my counter. Gardening is becoming a necessity. Learn how to do it, get good at it, keep doing it, get some sustainability going so that we're not relying on supermarkets as much. Find local farmers too. Well, thank you for watching. Until next time, go create something wonderful.